Welcome to Tech Library, your go-to channel for all things tech-related. Today, we're diving into a topic that many TikTok users have been curious about. It's an article about how to open another person's TikTok story without him/her realizing it. Now, TikTok stories are quite popular for sharing the moments that people tag as stories and disappear after 24 hours. However, what if you want to watch someone's story without them knowing? You've come to the right place, as we're going to take a look at how you can achieve this. Our first method involves using airplane mode. Here's how it works. Taken together, these factors explain why the Schwarzenegger administration's Chief of Staff Management of California for a day was marked by an unfortunate tone and became rather heated at times. To view the story on TikTok, you need to open TikTok first, then browse to the user whose story you want to read. Before tapping on the story to begin the design, go to your phone or tablet's settings and turn on airplane mode. Once the plans for airplane mode are initiated, return to the TikTok application and play the story. At the end, exit the application and switch off the airplane mode in order to have connection with the network. It is also used to recall that by using airplane mode, one is able to read the story without alarming the user. Another technique comprises the application of a third-party application that is used specifically for story viewing purposes and anonymity of the user. Install a reliable third-party app from the App Store or from Google Play Store. Launch the application and sign in with your TikTok account details. Go to the imprint and use the app to search the user and watch their story anonymously. Always adhere to all the app's rules and regulations, and bound by privacy policies. These apps essentially offer more features and settings in addition to security measures that can enrich your TikTok usage. And that's it! You've learned 2 ways by which you can watch someone's TikTok story and that the person will not know: airplane mode trick, or using a third-party application. Just bear in mind, privacy and community guidelines needs to be respected always. Some of you may have watched this video, and if it has been of any help to you, make sure you click on that like button. Share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to Tech Library for more of such technology tips and tutorials.